How to delete transaction history on Atlantic Money. Search for Atlantic Money. On mobile, tap on the login icon. On desktop, find the login icon at the top right of the homepage. Enter your login details. Input your details to access your account. Access your transaction history. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right of your screen on the app. Then select Transfer History from the list of options to view your past transactions. Remember to double-check your transaction details for accuracy. Locate the Customer Support icon. Go to the Help icon on the homepage. This will direct you to Atlantic Money's support section. Or contact Atlantic Money's customer support at support@atlantic.money, or +44 808 175 1167. They can assist you with any questions or issues you may have.